So this machine, I've had it in the shop several times. But the lady knows she's got an old style machine and she wants to keep it. And we've just about worn it out like the one horse chase. What we're going to do here, get over here in position where we can run it. Then it makes a noise when it spins, a dreadful noise. Never know what to expect with this. But we're gonna see what it is. Woo, that wind is blowing. What that brown dog's got in. I'll be in anything very good. Not my brown dog. This is mine. Are you mine? I'm not yours. I'm Mama's. You're Mama's dog, aren't you? Wally Wally. Yeah. My name is Wally. Wally. Alright. Let's plug it in and see what's going on. It's got any water in it. Water everywhere. Hear what it's doing. Huh. This switch has been bypassed. Ooh. Ooh. That sounds like the spin two ears are stripped. Huh. But it spins. So, let's see what's going on with this thing. Let me see. Okay, it's spinning well. I think we stop at the clutch, huh? That tub is loose. I wonder if that tub. Man, I haven't run into a problem like that. That's unusual. Maybe I have run into a problem like that. I'd say that the ears on the spin tube have sheared off, or I don't know. Let's get this agitator off and look at it. Two-piece agitator. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, see right there? That's what's happened. You know what? Man, I didn't do that. This spanner nut is on upside down. No, I didn't do that. No, it's not. Hey! You want to bring it around, back up right here?
Yeah.
Alright. We need to take this hub out. Let's go on there. How is it catching? Now to get that tub out, let's see if that tub is completely loose. Because it's not even. It is. I don't even knock the block off of it. You can see what's happening right here. These little ears that fit in that spin block have stripped off. Go on out here. Go on. Yeah. See, they're damaged. We need to put another spin tube on that. I think I got a good one right here. It's a brand new one. Well, the seal's good in it. Yeah, let's change that spin tube. Could use either one of those. It's both new seals. They're both sealed right. Yeah. Okay. Little brownie. So we need to get that block out of there. Look at that block. Ah. Oh yeah. You can see how those ears are stripped out of there. Huh. See, they're supposed to fit like that, but what's happened is when that goes down, that's stripping us so that it picks the tub up and runs over it like this, and then it bumps. But at the same time, it has ruined this spin block, and it has also ruined the ears on the spin tube. So we'll need to replace the spin tube and the spin block, which isn't that bad of a thing to do. I might keep that part to show the man. There's a pretty good spin tube, a spin block. That's a good one. There's a brand new one though. Right there. I think it's brand new. Oh yeah, this is a much better one. Huh. Yeah, use that one. So what we need to do is pull it over here where I can work on it. I need to get that water out of there. Come on, Brownie. You dogs need to find somewhere else to go. Let's drain all that water out. At least as much as possible. Yeah, let's get it all. Okay, here we go. There's a dolly over here. Wally Wally sitting in the sun. How can a dog have so much fun? I'm a poet and didn't even know it. Watch out, Wally. Alright, let's whip this thing around. And go to the other side of it so we can get underneath it. Woo, that wind is blowing through here. Them cold winter days. Man, Louisiana, you don't have too many cold winter days. Alright, so let's take this water pump loose. Harper Knowles.
Hello, mister.
Hey, Jimmy, how you doing?
I'm still fighting it.
Well,
I need a pinky brain.
okay. Okay.
I have a Roper washing machine, it don't let water come into the tub. What could be wrong with it?
Water valve?
How much one of them cost?
Well, it depends on which model it is. Is it an old style or new style?
It's a new style. Okay. I got to go to Ellis tomorrow, but I drop it off here over the shop tomorrow and you fix it.
Yeah. Well, I think your parts are coming in this afternoon.
Well, I'll pick it up tomorrow after I come back to Ellis.
Okay. Yeah, I think your parts coming in. Your suspension rods I ordered for you.
Yes, sir.
They should be in this afternoon sometime.
Okay, but I'll probably drop that machine off. You won't be open.
What
Can
time?
I just set it outside?
Yeah. Make sure your name's on it, Jimmy.
I'll probably drop it off about 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, make sure your name's on it.
Okay.
Are you going to be by yourself?
No, I have it with me.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll get on it and I'll try to get it fixed before you get back.
Okay.
All right, man.
All right.
Hey, you want me to put a used valve or a new one on it?
Well, whatever you got. If you got a good used one, just put a used one on it.
Oh, okay. I'll do that.
Okay.
All right, man.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye. That was an old gentleman. I wouldn't call him that old. He's not too. Well, he's in his 80s, but he works on washing machines and dryers in the next town over, or used to, and they're kind of like Mr. Harper was. They won't leave him alone. he can't get out of the business because they won't let him. So anyway, I like old Jimmy, but he'll bring me stuff that computerized stuff that he doesn't understand. But he's a good fella, real good fella. Yeah. This is a machine that I have worked on often. They will keep it as long as they can. I tell you, it's just about worn completely out. Very nice transmission. So let's pull this spin tube out of here. Oh, yeah, that has earned its place on the junk pile. Now, let's try this one. Okay, now reattach the transmission. Let's move the clutch over so the spring in the clutch doesn't mesh with the brake cam. And let's reassemble. Put so much torque on it, like to pull it off the dolly. The last thing I did to this machine was put a motor coupling on it. Looks like a brand new motor coupler. There we go. Now, what do I do with the motor? There she is. There we go. Have to be careful around those capacitors. They will zap you if they're loaded. Try not to touch the spade plug ears. Let's see, that's pointed toward this one. So let's point it that way. It's right on. There we go. Now, let's put our new kind of line these up where it's going to eventually go. There you see those ears are fitting in the slots perfect. Then we can drop a tub in. Fit it well. A new spanner nut on it. Our spanner wrench. You tighten this down. You want to tighten it good enough to hit. You can see that there's a slot in that. There's a slot all the way through this spin hub, spin block, and when you tighten it down, it will collapse that slot or against the spin shaft, spin tube, and that's what we're looking to do. I believe that's tight. Alright. Let's put our agitator back in. What you looking at? At what are you looking? Huh? Come on. Come on now. You came out of that transmission, you're going back in it. There it goes. The man going to pick up a washer. Let me get him taken care of. We'll get back to this. Wally, come! Hey, puppy! Hey, dear puppy! Alright, so we got the agitator in. What do we do with the agitator cap? There it is. We're going to need this. Now since I put a new spin tube in there, I need to run a load of clothes in it and make sure that the seals in that spin tube aren't leaking. And if they are, it's just going to ruin my whole day. But I've had my day ruined before. Now come on. Alright, so Wally, seems like you meet a new dog every day. Huh? Seems like you meet a new buddy every day. I hope that thing's heating. It's still on 33 minutes. Have to open that up. Yeah, it worked when I first put it on there. Put this on time dry. And alright. It was heating when I first changed that belt. I mean that idler pulley. It may just be one of those days that you can't get anything done right. Cold too. Fire up some water. large load. 6-minute short wash. Make sure that thing's not. God dog it! That's cold. What's this? I know that worked when I first plugged it in. It worked fine. That's heating. It's that plug. Yeah, don't go off half cocked. When you think something's not working, sometimes it is. If I'd have wasted my time tearing into that, checking everything, I'd have been aggravated. All the time it was the prongs on that plug. One of them wasn't making good contact. See here, she's rising. She's past 70 now, passing 70 on its way to 80. Yeah, and it's about, I don't know, in the 50s, mid 50s. Let's make sure this doesn't leak. If this doesn't leak and finishes that test load, we got another one fixed. Yeah, every time you change a spin tube has this seal right here, and it also has a seal that it goes through on the tub support. It fits right in this area. You'll make sure that seal's not leaking and this seal isn't leaking. And when it comes to these, I'll use a used one instead of I know this gentleman. I went to school with his wife, and I'm going to sell him a used part because that part's expensive, and he has put quite a bit of money into that machine this year for one thing or another. Yeah, we're up to 130. So we got this one fixed. Now the seal in question is going to be right up in here. It's going to be that top seal. So we want that water level to get up here. And we want the agitator to move that shaft around. So he needs a spin block and spin tube. Yeah, and the way it was described to me, was it didn't sound like it was catching to him. So it's gonna leak. It's gonna leak right there by the transmission. It should get up right underneath there, about an inch more. Just start agitating. There we go. Now let's see if it'll complete its wash. We'll come back and we'll check for a leak. Okay, so we didn't have any leaks. I forgot to turn the camera on, but it spun everything out real dry. No problems. So what we'll do, let's test it on a dry. I'm sure that was the clutch slipping until it got up to speed. And that brake is holding just right. Okay, we are going to fasten it up and all that one fixed. There we go, we fixed another one. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Chip is out.